Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video we will discuss how to set up Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. In the end, I hope this video will prove helpful for you. So watch this video till the end. We will cover each and every setup step. First of all, connect your Belkin N300 range extender to a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Locate the WPS button on your router, usually labeled WPS. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS LED on the router starts blinking. Find the WPS button on the extender. Press and hold it for 2 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender should start blinking, indicating it is trying to connect. If the WPS connection is successful, the extender's WPS LED will turn solid green. This means your extender is now connected to the router. Unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.